Huawei is working on the Pura 80 series of flagship phones for the Chinese market. Digital chat station shared details of an engineering prototype, which is believed to be the Huawei Pura 80 Pro. The Huawei Pura 80 Pro is being tested with a 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED display, featuring a 2.5D flat design and ultra-thin bezels. This marks a shift from curved screens in the previous generation. The device is expected to ship with HarmonyOS next. The Pura 80 Pro will feature a 50-megapixel 1-inch Sony IMX989 main sensor with a variable aperture, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto macro camera. All three sensors will reportedly use a custom RYYB color filter, which enhances low-light performance by increasing light intake by up to 40%. The Huawei Pura 80 series could launch in the second quarter of this year. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.